Why does manpower planning hold such a crucial role in the success of any organization? This question often sparks interesting discussions among professionals across various industries. Today, we'll delve into the world of manpower planning, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps and summarizing its key points. Imagine a ship sailing across the vast ocean. It needs a competent crew, an accurate map, and a well-thought-out plan to reach its destination successfully. Similarly, an organization needs a comprehensive manpower plan to navigate the challenging waters of the business world. Manpower planning, also known as human resource planning, involves forecasting the organization's future manpower requirements and devising strategies to fulfill those needs efficiently. Step 1. Understand your business strategy. Any manpower planning process begins with a thorough understanding of the organization's business strategy. This step involves identifying the organization's goals and the resources required to achieve them. Step 2. Analyze the current manpower inventory. This step involves taking stock of the existing workforce, evaluating their skills, and identifying any gaps that need to be filled. Step 3. Forecast future manpower needs. This is where the organization projects its future manpower requirements based on its business strategy, industry trends, and market dynamics. Step 4. Develop the manpower strategies. Here, the organization devises strategies to meet its future manpower needs. This could involve recruitment, training, and development programs, or even downsizing depending on the situation. Finally, Step 5. Implement and review the manpower plan. The organization then puts the manpower plan into action and continually reviews and adjusts it as per the changing business environment. In summary, manpower planning is a systematic process that aligns an organization's human resources with its business strategy, ensuring the right people are in the right jobs at the right time. Its importance cannot be overstated as it promotes efficiency, reduces costs, and ultimately drives the organization's success. Remember, a ship without a competent crew and a clear plan will struggle to reach its destination. Similarly, an organization without a comprehensive manpower plan will find it challenging to achieve its goals. So, chart out your manpower plan carefully and set sail towards success.